Today, we will show you how to mount your Garmin dash cam with a magnetic mount. To do this, you will need your dash cam, the magnetic dash mount that came in your box, and a lint-free cloth. The dash mount contains a metal disc that will be required to complete your dash cam installation. Begin by finding a suitable mounting location on your windshield. Then clean the spot with a lint-free cloth. Remove the protective layer from the mount of the Garmin dash cam and attach it to the windshield. Press firmly on the mount and maintain pressure for 30 seconds. Then pull the camera and mount away from the windshield, leaving only the small magnet attached. Using your finger, press firmly on the magnetic disc for 30 seconds to ensure it is attached correctly. Wait 24 hours before installing the Garmin dash cam. After 24 hours, reattach the Garmin dash cam to the magnetic mount and attach the power cable. The power cable has been designed to easily run upwards towards your vehicle's headliner, giving you the option to discreetly route the power cable to your vehicle's power source. We recommend routing the power cable around the edge of the windshield and tucking it into the gap between windshield and trim. And that's it! Thanks for watching. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.